Good morning, everyone. It's 10 a.m. on Monday morning, and it's pretty wet outside, so I think I'm going to do a couple things here in the cabin first. The cabin is 60 degrees inside, and I checked the thermometer outside, and it's 58 degrees outside. So I think I'm going to do a couple things to get the wood stove up and running and just start a little fire to take the chill off. It's getting pretty chilly in here, so let's go ahead and get after it. Last night, as I was just relaxing, I started thinking about the wood stove, and I noticed right up here, it looks like the whole door can slide up, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if it will, and if it will, I'll be able to take it out, lay it flat, and let this soak for a couple seconds before I wipe it off and get the rest of this soot and stuff off the door. Oh yes, it came right off. Let's go ahead and put it up on the counter. Okay, I got it on the counter. It's laying nice and flat. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it a little bit. Try to get the rest of this black off. Okay, we'll let that soak for a few minutes. Okay, while the door is soaking, I'm gonna go ahead and put this reburner back in where it goes. I already found the Allen wrench I need. It's a metric one, not sure what size though. Okay, I got the back center bolt already in, and now I'm putting in the two side bolts. There's not really much to see here though. That is odd. These aren't the same size Allen wrenches. Let me go and find a smaller one. There's three hex bolts that hold this top piece in, one in the center back and one on each side. And I picked up one of the bolts, found the Allen wrench that fits it, put in the back one first, and then when I went to put in the two sides, realized the sides are actually smaller, require a smaller Allen wrench. So I found the smaller Allen wrench, and now I'm going to put the sides in. There's the right side in, now do the left. Okay, the sides are in and tight, and the center one is in and will be tight here in 1 second. Yep, it's tight. So the top is back in. Now to finish up the door. Okay, the door's been soaking for a little while, and it looks like a lot of it is raised up nice and wet. Let's see if it'll come off. Oh yeah. Let me put some rubber gloves on. Yeah, it's definitely coming up better. Definitely what it needed. I'm gonna let this soak for several minutes again. Okay, it's been soaking for a little while. Let's go ahead and wipe it out. I think this is gonna be the last time I do it. It'll be good enough. Probably won't be 100%, but it's close enough for me. Yeah, I think that's good enough. There's a little bit here, a little bit in the corner, and a few small specks over in here, but I'm not going to worry about that. It's good enough for me. Okay, I got it. I took it outside and shook it out, so I'm going to go ahead and stick it back on and see how it looks. Yeah, I think that'll work pretty good. It's Tuesday, about 1:30 in the afternoon. The rain finally let up, so I'm gonna go out, do some moose hunting. There's a spot a couple miles away over on the edge of a swamp that I want to sit and hunt. So I'm gonna take you guys all along. As you can see, I'm packed up, ready to go. I got everything in here. I got food, water. I definitely have my hunting license and harvest ticket that is required up here in Alaska. Plus I got game bags to put the kill in if I get one. So I'm gonna take you guys along and let's go out moose hunting. It's about 2:15 p.m. now. I just got to the location I'm gonna hunt. So here's a look of where I'm sitting and what I'm looking at. I'm gonna give this a try all day today. Sit here for the next several hours and see what happens. Let's hope for the best. It's 7 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna stay here for about another hour, then head back to the cabin. Haven't seen anything yet all day, but it's been a beautiful weather. Unfortunately, these little black flies have been driving me nuts, and I've gotten probably a dozen or more bites from them. So they're getting a little ridiculous, but I'm still out here. I'm gonna stay for another hour, like I said, till about 8 o'clock or so, and then head back to the cabin. Hello everyone. It's Wednesday at about noon. This is the 5th day straight that I've been at the cabin, and this is officially the longest I've ever spent continuously at the cabin. I'm enjoying it a lot. I went out moose hunting yesterday. I'm gonna go out and do a little bit more moose hunting today. I'm gonna go probably in a couple hours here. So let's take a look at the raspberry plants. I see I got a lot of fresh raspberries. Look at these. This one's pretty much overripe. They're tasty. Got a few there. Got several more coming, so I'm glad I planted them. Can't wait for the next few years. It's 3 o'clock on Wednesday. I just got to my hunting spot, so I'm gonna sit here for, I would say, at least 4 hours, if not longer, and see if any moose come by and if I can get one or not. I'll check back in a little bit later. It's about 7:30 p.m. now, and I've been here pretty much all day and haven't seen anything yet. I'm gonna stay for another half hour to an hour and then head back to the cabin. Not a good day for moose hunting, and just nothing around. It's about 4:15 Thursday afternoon, and I'm here at my hunting spot. It is just way too hot and too nice of a day for the moose to be out walking around.
I checked the weather forecast. It's supposed to be like this through the end of the day until right up until dark. It's supposed to be 60 degrees or warmer, and very few clouds in the sky. So I'm pretty sure the moose aren't going to be out and about today. So I'm just going to call it a day and probably head back to the cabin tomorrow. I doubt I'll be out because it's supposed to be even nicer all day. And I think I might head back to my home tomorrow afternoon. So I'll talk to you guys later.
It's Thursday evening at about a little after 9 p.m. I've been here exactly 1 full week now. It's the first time I've been here that long, and I really enjoyed it. I would like to do it more often, get out some more 3, 4, maybe 5-day weekends and stuff like that. But I'm gonna head back to home tomorrow midday or so. Just need to get back, get some things done before work starts up on Monday morning again. But unfortunately I didn't get to see any moose that were that I could shoot at. I saw that one cow with the calf, but I'll be out probably next weekend again to go hunting and keep going, coming out each weekend, do a little hunting and do some things around the cabin here also. It's a pretty nice sunset we have tonight. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a really nice looking. The sun's setting, we've got some clouds, it's a reddish sky. Good afternoon everyone. It's Friday early afternoon. I got the cabin all cleaned up. I had to do a little maintenance on the generator. The spark arrestor on the exhaust was completely clogged up, making it run real high and at full power all the time. And so I got that done. I got everything else cleaned up. I did the dishes, I vacuumed, and I'm almost completely packed up, ready to head out. Actually a little on the sad side right now to be leaving. I've been here, I came last Friday evening, I got here about 10 o'clock last Friday, and I'm leaving now on this Friday, so 1 full week I've been here. Sad, I kind of would like to stay a little bit longer, but I got things to do elsewhere, so I gotta go and do them. But as you can see, it's just an absolutely beautiful day out here at the cabin. There's not a cloud in the sky, nice dark blue sky. Just amazing day. I would love to stay. I got things I could do here, but other things take priority sometimes. So until next weekend, everyone stay safe and have a good week.